All right, we out here getting set up. The man Clay out here. We got Pharaoh.
Yes, sir.
Out on the Potomac.
About to get it popping.
Right, nice sunset. All right, my man got the secret bait.
Secret bait.
Ooh,
Fried chicken gizzards.
okay.
Just fried before I came. Look.
And they good too. Man.
And it's smart. Going for the catfish. Bro, trying to get some too. Y'all see it? Just how smacking it is. It's going to bring the hog in here, man.
You got the chicken gizzard on it.
The chicken
fried
gizzard.
chicken gizzard. The grease, the garlic,
Yes,
the
sir.
chicken, everything they want. Watch my man come over here and hit the perfect cast. Uh-oh, Clay. There you go. Oh, hell yeah. Is he still on there?
There you go.
Hell yeah. Is it a cat? That's on. Damn. It's so full of heat. Ooh. Oh, is that a cat? Y'all jumping. Press dead to the wall. I got big balls, bullets like baseballs. Straight knock out all y'all. Hell no, the boys don't play. Straight nut. What the fuck is that? I got some side for it. Back up, Farrell.
This ain't no
Farrell, back up. Is it a guard? You already got a guard. Oh, Farrell. Back up, Farrell. That's a cat. There's a cat. It's a nice one, too. Yeah, you got it. Yup. Ooh, nice. There you go. Farrell, back. Ooh. That jump. Hit that jump. Hey, dare you. Ooh. All right, my man Clay. Well, the proof is in the pudding. One of many of tonight. The chicken gizzards was a hit. Oh yeah, look at that jump. Hold on, get the. Oh, okay, man, the angles. The angles, yes.
Nice job.
All right, so we about to let my man go. Let him go. Let him grow.
Nice.
Nice catfish.
All right, let's see.